Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log out of PicsArt application on your Android device. Logging out of PicsArt account is super easy. First of all, launch open PicsArt application on your device, and then once you're inside the home screen of PicsArt, to log out of your account, click on the profile icon or the human icon at the bottom right corner. Now, click the three dots at the top right corner from your profile page. There you will be able to see several different menus in the pop-up. Go ahead and look for Logout at the bottom and tap on that. In the pop-up, click Yes, and you will then be able to log out of your PicsArt application just like that. Logging out of your PicsArt account is a straightforward process that enhances your account security, especially when using shared or public devices. If the video was helpful to you, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.